Welcome to Motul. My name is Blurton Schala. I am a technical trainer at Motul. Today we will introduce you to our two new devices of the Motul Evo concept, the Motul Evo Gen2 and the Motul Evo Gen2 Plus. Since 2015 we have been successful on the market with the Motul Evo concept. After 7 successful years, we have decided to update the Evo concept to the latest state-of-the-art. In the last 20 years, the proportion of vehicles with automatic transmission has doubled. The future looks no different. There are already various manufacturers who have decided not to install manual transmissions anymore. This means that the proportion of vehicles with automatic transitions will naturally increase significantly. Typical problems in workshops are maintenance intervals and oil changes are done using mechanical hand pumps, whereby only a small portion of the total oil can be changed. Regardless of this, the time required is enormous. With our two devices and the corresponding instructions, we enable you to perform a professional and high-quality oil change. However, since we renew almost 100% of the gear oil with our equipment, we are able to use cleaner, which is no longer present in the circuit after the oil change. During the contract period, we are available with the database and also the technical support. So you can use either a tablet, laptop or computer to see an illustrated step-by-step instruction for the correct adaptation of the gearbox. You can also see it on the Gen2 Plus on the large 7-inch display, which will guide you through the process step by step. Since the Motul Evo Gen2 Plus supports Wi-Fi and updates automatically, both database and company updates can be performed via Wi-Fi connection. Via the remote service function, our technicians are enabled to check the device remotely. Both devices are supplied with an adapter case and adapters 1 to 17 each, which cover around 70% of common vehicles in an independent workshop. The existing adapter cases 1 to 8 can still be used 1-to-1 with the current devices.
Sind weiterhin 1:1 mit den aktuellen Geräten einsetzbar.
With our concept, you are able to carry out a gear oil change in a cheap, efficient and high-quality way.